Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic6 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's first of all switch to the video one. Just tap on it, and if you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So fortunately in this mode we've got the resolution options highlighted in this option bar. So the second option from the left, sorry, is the resolution. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see we've got 5 different options with the information about the ratio. So we've got 2 different 4Ks, 1080p and one 720p. So all we have to do is to tap on the option we'd like to use. I will choose 4K, and as you can see, the icon will change immediately. The frame of the camera also, it is because of the ratio, which is, as I said, notified at the top, and it basically means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.